Alexa, that's enough for now. Master designers, finally! It's time for another uprising year for the... Alright, enough of that. Enough of... Get prepared, everyone! Another year has finally come! A lot has happened in the last year. You saw me go to Coney Island, you saw me go to New York City, and actually, I finally went to what I was going to tell you, I actually did go to New York City last year. That's what I meant. And to celebrate the new year, we're gonna add a few adjustments to this series, so it will be more interesting. Anyway, for this year's first episode, we'll start by drawing Eevee. One of the most popular Pokemon that everybody enjoys. I saw him 100 times at Comic-Con, and EternalCon as well. And before I finish up, here's the adjustment. This special light, it helps with my designs and gives it more light so that I can allow the audience to see the design better. Alright, anyway, Eevee, also codenames the evolution Pokemon. Eevee's bio says that it's a rare Pokemon that adapts to harsh environments by taking on different evolutionary forms. You already saw me draw different evolutionary forms of Eevee in the past. And the evolutions keep coming and coming and coming. And they just keep getting better and better and better. Eevee has been seen with a lot of trainers in the past. I'll bet that Ash will get a chance to catch Eevee one of these days. There we go. And just recently in Master Journeys, Eevee ran into Yamper and even became his best friend. Anyhow, now that Eevee's drawn, it's about high time I showed you his evolved forms. With this. Let's see. There. This is Eevee's evolution chart. It evolves into 8 different forms, starting with the ones from Kanto. Then there's Espeon and Umbreon. Then Leafeon and Glaceon. And finally, the College Region Pokemon Sylveon. And get this. Eevee has a special form. His Gigantamax mode! Awesome! Yeah, I can't believe it either. I always knew Eevee would get a special form of his own. Remember I drew him? Yeah, good times. Anyway, get ready for more episodes coming up this year, because I've got more characters on the way, and I'm never gonna stop. Anyhow, that's how you draw Eevee. Please like and rock and subscribe to my channel, and let me know which character you want me to draw next. Stegosaurus, see you later, and Happy New Year!